the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making from the box a pound cake. I was just curious to see how this pound cake stands up to a homemade pound cake. So we're going to follow the instructions on the back of the box. 2/3 cup of water or milk. I will be using milk. A half a stick of room temperature butter and 2 eggs. Okay guys, you just follow the instructions on the box. Empty your cake mix into your bowl. You're going to add your milk or water. You're going to add your eggs. And we're going to add our room temperature butter. And then we're going to blend it for 30 seconds on low speed and then medium speed for 2 minutes. Okay guys, once your batter is blended, it will be thick. So you can go ahead and coat whatever pan you choose to use with a non-stick cooking spray. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. I'm going to be using a bundt pan. So I'm going to spray that lightly with my cooking spray, and I'm using butter flavored. I'm going to go ahead and put my batter in. Okay guys, you can see I had sprayed my bundt pan. Next we're going to add the batter. Okay guys, I have my batter in my bundt pan. And if you're using any kind of pan, try to make sure your batter is even. And I'm pretty sure you guys know that with different pans, it's going to be different cooking times. So with what I'm using, it's going to be about 38 to 43 minutes for it to bake. So now we're going to go ahead and put it in the oven, and I'll see you back in about 43 minutes. Guys, don't forget to set your timer. Okay guys, as you can see, my pound cake is done. I'm going to get ready to go ahead and turn it over onto a cooling rack so it can cool down. Okay guys, the pound cake is now onto the cooling rack. So we're going to let it cool off before we cut it. Okay guys, here goes our pound cake. What I'm going to do is take a strainer with some powdered sugar. Just shake a little over the top. You could do a couple things with this. You can put icing glaze over top of it. Now I'm going to cut a piece for the final taste test. So guys, I tasted the pound cake and it tastes really good. Look how fluffy it is on the inside. You can also slice it and put it with blueberries or strawberries. I didn't have any whipped cream, but you could put a little bit on top. But I would recommend this. So guys, this is the Betty Crocker pound cake. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and I want to thank you guys for always coming back to my channel. So if you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. And I will see you next time. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef.